up, YouTube? I'm tapping in, guys. Listen, another day is in the books, but we got one more day to close out this holiday shortened week, okay? So listen to this. Monday sets the tone, but we didn't get Monday this week, okay? Monday, the market was closed, but Friday sets the standard. And so we got one more day to finish the week out with a bang. And so I want to make sure I put you guys on a path to do that tomorrow. Matter of fact, use this video and be in the Discord first thing in the morning so I can lay out the levels to make sure you guys end the week with a victory, with a win, okay? Listen, do me a favor, please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. I'm kicking it off, loving on the family, guys, and this one comes from John. John, I told you this at the time you sent me this morning, but this for real made my day. He said, "What up, coach? Made some money today on this quick in and out UiPath put." I already love that, man. They were going down. He took advantage of that. He said, "Could have made a few more dollars on it, but didn't overstay my welcome. It's my first time doing options, and this put seemed like the best play for me." Everything about what John's saying is spot on, guys. That stock went down after some news on yesterday, earnings, what have you, and it started today on a downward trajectory. Don't go against the grain. Go with the trend. The trend said puts. John kept it simple, and I love that. He went on to say, "I will not be making any plays today because I'm still pumped with excitement for this win, and I don't want to make a bad choice. I followed your advice. I took profits when I seen them." John, I'm going to say it to you again in front of thousands of people. Major salute. I couldn't be more proud of you, man. Listen, this game is about stacking small victories on top of each other and learning to fall in love with the base hit and allowing the home run to come. John, listen to this. This was his first options, ladies and gentlemen, and his first taste of victory and success. Remember, I told you my story. Go back and watch my video on if you're thinking about quitting. Me too, guys. My first time doing options, I remember winning. I remember that excitement that John is talking about and alluding to. But I went on to lose my next 10 trades after that because I couldn't figure out what I did and how to replicate my success. That's why I show up every day to teach you guys the game, okay? John, I want to say major salute. Use this as a lesson on what's possible. Everything that's going to happen from this day forward, you're going to always remember this first put and that you saw how much money you made. You saw the power of, not only in your case, making money with puts, meaning when the stock was falling, but all of it is to be taken in stride and applied to your journey and your overall development in this game, okay? Once again, major salute. Now listen to this, guys. We got PCE in the morning. Write this down. Before market open comes out, you're going to have some news that is going to shock the market. You're going to get some volatility. So the levels I'm about to talk about will be slightly different in the morning, whether up or down, okay? So I want you guys to take these 3 stocks I'm going to give you next and put them on your radar for tomorrow and into next week, okay? These plays are going to run big, all right? I'm kicking it off with NVIDIA, all right? Ticker symbol on this one is NVDA. I want you guys to have this on your radar. I tell you all the time, and that's why I'm making this video now. You guys need to know the difference between a crash, a pullback, and that knowing that some of that is healthy. What you got today going and after PCE tomorrow, if the stock comes lower, will be your opportunity to get into this before next week's stock split, okay? You're getting one little shot at the apple, so I want you guys to either be in it to close out the week tomorrow, okay, or going into next week and into the stock split as the stock will run up. Then, guys, it's going to sell off after that, okay? But you can make some decent money long as you're being responsible with the whole entire play. When you get in, if you go up 15% after you get in, if you are already up 15%, you got to be looking to make decisions, executive decisions to lock in some profit, okay? These are, again, things that you can do in the short term, but ultimately, guys, after the stock split happens, Typically, you get a run up for a couple more days, and then the stock going to come down. So I want you to know both ends of the spectrum. But in the meantime, the move will be to the upside, using today as an opportunity to get back in. That's all Wall Street wanted to do. They want to get repositioned so they can take advantage of the next run up into next week. Okay, look at PCE for even better entry if the stock go down, or it already went down significantly today. The next one, guys, on one of your radar is Tesla. Okay, the ticker symbol on that one is TSLA. I want you guys to see what they did today. All right, I talked to you guys in Discord about playing the range of 173 to 177. It broke out from 177 and went to 182, and then, guys, 182 back to that 176, 177 range. So you now see the range. It's a $10 range. Okay, what did I tell you guys? Make money within the range. Remember, I told you about the chop. Okay, the chop is going to be 173 to 182. I'm gonna call it a $10 range. I know it's $9, but I want you guys to just think I am to make my money within that. Okay, on the lower end of the range, you have upward targets going to 177, 180, 182. If we get through 182, that opens the door for 185. Okay, if we can't get through that level, then guess what? You got come down to 180, 177, 175, 173. Know your levels in both directions. Therefore, it allows you to be surgical no matter what they decide. You got a game plan, okay? So knock Tesla out the park for me on tomorrow. We don't care what they do, okay? Short term and in terms of trading, we don't care. If they can't get above 180 and 182 tomorrow, we know it's coming down, okay? If they do bounce up, we know they're going to run up to 177, 180, and 182, okay? So you know the move in either directions. Your job is to simply make sure you're on the right side of the trade for me, okay? Do that, but don't worry. I got you guys covered. Be in the Discord first thing in the morning. I'm going to drop more pinpoint, precise levels for you guys, okay? Right now, we got after hours. They're about to manipulate the market, okay? Then you got PCE in the morning at 8:30 before market open, okay? An hour before. So you got two more trick, trap, and frustrate crew type of things that's going to take place. So I'll give you pinpoint, precise levels for what to do with Tesla on tomorrow, okay? As well as the SPY. But I'm talking about Tesla because regardless of any of this, if Tesla ready to get busy, man. And if we can get through 182, man, we got a nice move to 185, okay? And 185 opens the door for 192, and 192 takes us back to the 200s. That's too much. That's too much. I don't want to put all that on you guys. I just want you guys to know how us elite traders are looking and viewing this big picture. Yeah, it might be some gyration in there short term. We might do some puts on the days that go down, some calls on the days that go up. But ultimately, if it can clear certain levels or hurdles for my track athletes, okay, we got a lot of room to the upside if we can get through 182, 185, and 192, okay? But again, know your levels. That's what this is about. And last but not least is Palantir. Ticker symbol PLTR. I want you guys to put that on your radar as well. So NVIDIA, Tesla, and Palantir, those are three that I want on your radar, point blank period, okay? Palantir, again, guys, do not sleep on this, all right? Today, it was a phenomenal day. I told you it would be yesterday that the big move was coming. We got the big move today. But if it stalls out tomorrow on PCE, meaning they try to retrace the move, our job around here, this stock is going to 23 and then 27. Even if you just play the 23 level range from the $20 range, you guys get what I'm saying? That's a life-changing move. You just happen to have a coach that gives you guys where the stock is ultimately going. But I don't want you ever to get caught up in trying to hold out that long for those levels. Does that make sense? If you get in at 20, be okay with taking profits at 23. Let some runners take you to 27, and then you can reassess, get back in, and take a bigger move to 27 or $30. Okay, that's how you want to go about this, okay? So listen, guys, those are three stocks that are ready to run big. I want on your radar, okay? So with that being said, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Everybody that made money today, let me know in the comments below. But get ready to do it all again tomorrow. We got one more day to finish strong to close out this shortened week. But listen, next week we got a full 5 days. So I want everybody to be in with the money team first and foremost. And after that, guys, we got a full week to get in our bag and to start the month of June off, okay? So let's make it a good one. I want you to put to the test all the lessons you learned in May and take them into the month of June so that you can be sharper and you can be better. We want to get 1% better each day. Listen, guys, I'm gonna get up out of here. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.